For this lesson, you will need your word study notebook and a pencil. If you have not gotten those two things yet, please pause the video and go and get your word study notebook from your drawer and a pencil, please. Go ahead and turn to the next blank page. Today we're going to be talking about Sherry Shark. And Sherry Shark has to remind herself to be quiet, and she swims around the ocean going shh, shh, shh. And she does that because she is mean and scary, and she wants to make sure that she's quiet so that she doesn't scare away any other fish that might want to be her friend. So we're going to practice writing some words today where we hear Sherry Shark. We may hear it at the beginning of the word or the end of the word. So to do this, we're going to put SH here with the little line. And that's going to show us that when we hear SH at the beginning, we're going to write our words over here. Then we're going to draw a line down the middle of our page. And then we're going to draw a line here and put SH at the end of the word over here. Okay, so the first word that we're going to practice writing is the word ship. Ship. So to do that, we're going to say our words slowly because writers say their words slowly. And I hear sh first. And so SH makes one sound, sh. So I'm going to write that here. And then I hear the IP word pattern, I-P, ship. So please write ship in your word study notebook, S-H-I-P, ship. And then I want us to underline S-H because we hear it at the beginning of the word ship. The next word we're going to make is the word shell. Shell. So I hear sh at the beginning, and that's going to be Sherry Shark, sh, sh, sh. So I'm going to put SH first, and then I hear L, the L word pattern, which is E-L-L. And then I'm going to underline SH at the beginning. So please write shell in your word study notebook, S-H-E-L-L, and go ahead and underline S-H, please. Okay, another word that I know that has S-H in it is she, she. So I hear S-H at the beginning, sh. So I'm going to write that, and then I know that there's an E here because sometimes E by itself can make the E sound. She. And then let's go ahead and underline SH, please. Go ahead and write she in your word study notebook, S-H-E, she. Another word that has SH in it is the word shin, shin. And I'm saying my word slowly because that's something that writers do, and I hear sh first, so I'm going to write SH, and then I hear N, I-N, shin, and I'm going to underline SH. So please do that in your word study notebook. Write S-H-I-N and underline S-H. Shin. Okay, another word that has S-H in it is the word shock. Shock. So when I say that slowly, I hear sh, Sherry Shark at the beginning. So I'm going to write S-H. And then I hear the OCK word pattern, O-C-K, shock, and then I'm going to underline S-H. Please do that, S-H-O-C-K, Write that in your word study notebook. And then I want you to underline SH, please. Now, when writers listen for parts that they know, they just may not be at the beginning of a word. They can also be at the end of the word. So now let's practice writing some words where we hear Sherry Shark at the end. The first word we're going to write is the word wish. Wish. So I hear w, I, sh, and I hear Sherry Shark at the end. And I'm going to underline it here. Now, some of you might remember when we were learning about short I, any inchworm, that the ish word pattern was ISH. But go ahead and underline then SH, and let's make sure that you write WISH, wish, in your word study notebook. Another word that has SH at the end is the word hush, hush. So I'm going to say that slowly, and I hear sh, and I hear Sherry Shark at the end. So I hear SH, sh, at the end of hush. And I'm going to underline SH. Please write HUSH, hush. Another word that has Sherry Shark at the end is the word rash, rash. So let's go ahead and write that, ash. And then let's underline SH, rash. Please write RASH, rash, in your word study notebook and underline SH. Okay, another word that has SH at the end is the word dish, dish. So I hear ish, dish. I'm going to underline SH at the end. Now some of you might also remember that it does have the ish word pattern in it. Go ahead and write DISH, dish, and underline SH, please. Another word that has SH at the end is the word smash, smash. So when I say this slowly, I hear sm, S-M, ash, smash. And I'm going to underline SH because that's where I hear it at the end of the word. Go ahead and write smash in your word study notebook. S-M-A-S-H, smash, and underline S-H. So what I want you to remember today is that Sherry Shark goes shh, shh, shh. And we can hear Sherry Shark at the beginning of a word or the end of the word. We've left some room at the bottom of your page, so when you find other words in your reading and writing that have SH at the beginning or the end, you may add them. Let's go ahead and reread our list before we're done. Ship, shell, she, shin, shock. Wish, hush, rash, dish, smash. So remember, Sherry Shark goes shh,